to pick me up from the ship is delayed half an hour. But I don't care. I have nowhere to go. I'm not making lunch. I'm on vacation. So waiting another half an hour, not a problem. So I'm just going to enjoy the view and freedom. It's raining grain. And it almost like you could think it was snow, but it's too warm for snow. But there's these little bits of grain falling. It's like, it might be like Charlie Brown, where by the time my ride gets here, I'll be just like a pile of grain. It's departure day from the Paul Martin. Look, it's only 20 after 5 a.m. There are a few things that will get me out this early, and that is departure day. So here's the galley where I spent the last 92 days. It's a nice galley. I like working here. One of my favorite things, the mixer, where I made bread almost every day. It was a great job. Oh, let's go look quickly in the fridge. We're getting groceries soon, so the new cook will have lots to work with. I took out like a few easy things for him to start with today. And freezer, which we'll be getting more groceries for here too. Now it's time to finish packing my bags. On my way home. Well, that's it. I'm going ashore, going on vacation. It's been a great 3 months. Oh, we are unloading grain, and then it goes into the grain elevator, and then it's loaded into a salty.